Welcome, I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper, and we are doing an unboxing of one of the best boxes out there for quilting and sewing. Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler Box. This is July 2023, and I'm telling you, this is one of the best boxes yet, so I hope you'll join me. Welcome back! I am so excited that you decided to join me on this Sew Sampler unboxing extravaganza. The July 2023 Sew Sampler box, I feel, was one of the best ones so far this year. As you know, I resubscribed to this box in April of 2023. I've been filming the unboxings ever since. And I have to say, thank you Fat Quarter Shop for making this the most valuable box for money paid. This box is $29 plus tax and shipping, and you usually get somewhere between $55 to $70 worth of quilting notions, patterns, fabric, always fabric, and it's just one of the neatest boxes out there for sewing and quilting. Let's see what the theme for this month's box is. Summer Soiree. So in every box, on the back side of the theme, are promo codes that you can use at the Fat Quarter Shop. I can't show you the codes because they're just for Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler Box subscribers, but we have 20% off June Taylor products and 15% off of Summer Memory books by Susan Eck. And that's kind of what it looks like. And I'm sorry, Susan, I don't know if that's how you pronounce her name. I really like the details they put in this box, and every time we get these extra coupon codes, and they last usually for 2 months after the box is launched, really creates a great value for the box. And I love shopping on Fat Quarter Shop. It's one of my favorite places to buy fabric and notions. So check it out if you haven't. Okay, let's find out what's in this box. I'm really liking the contents. And like I said, I'm really impressed what's all in here. One of my favorite pre-cuts is in here, and you'll find out what that is in just a moment. So with every box, you always get a leaflet with all the things that are in your box. And you can see I didn't do it upside down this time, right? Really cool, really great job. They do such beautiful work. This gives us a really good place to understand the value of the products, what they're used for, and it also gives a lot of inspiration. So I love this. Thank you for including this in the box. It makes it all worthwhile. Okay, let's see what the first item is. This is kind of a cool item. Make scattered pins and needles a thing of the past with the new and improved Magna Fingers Pick Up Release. Gather stray pins with a simple sweep, then drop them by squeezing the clip. Created by team inventor Owen Cowan. We give this notion an unpricked 2 thumbs up. Unpricked, that's funny. I brought my pins from my sewing machine. As you can see, I love Fat Quarter Shop. I even have their magnet pin thing. And I'm sure you have seen these before. So you got my pins, they just really go there. So if you have pins all over your sewing machine, you just take this and it picks up all your pins. Essentially, that's what this is supposed to do, but it will also release them. So let's check it out. Oh, how cute, look at this. I love that a teen invented this item, and it's got like a clothespin pinch, and it looks like the magnet is in here. When you lift it, it releases the pins. Let's see how this works. I'm just gonna put some pins on the box. There we go. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on there. Oh yeah, look at that. So you're gonna take this around your machine, pick up loose pins everywhere, and then you get your magnet grab or whatever that it is that you use to put your pins on, and then you release it. How cool is that? I love this. And this value is at $11.98. Okay, so the next wonderful item in this box is a company that I love, and it's actually almost in my backyard. Some of you know that I live in Wisconsin, southeastern Wisconsin, of course. And in southeastern Wisconsin, we have a fabulous notions company called June Taylor. They're based in Richfield, Wisconsin. A lot of times on my favorite hiking trips, I drive right past their location out in Richfield, where their distribution warehouse is located. And I can't believe there's a June Taylor pattern in this box. And if you know anything about June Taylor, I just love their products. All you need to do is introduce fabric, and you can make the project on the front. They have videos on YouTube that will show you how to do this product. And they include everything else, very easy to use instructions, and they're all quilt as you go. This strippy zipper pouch is an easy 1, 2, 3, literally. This pouch kit includes sew on the line, printed stabilizer, and one white zippity-doo-done zipper. This is a great beginner-friendly bag project that makes a cute and useful accessory. Try it with the Berry Burst Jolly Bar included in this month's box, or pull scraps from your stash. Well, they just gave away the fabric. It's a surprise, but you still haven't seen it yet, so you don't know what it looks like. Let me go ahead and open it up. And I'm sure if you've ever gone to your local Joann fabric store, they have several June Taylor products in the Quilting Notions section. They're pretty much a global brand in the United States. So this is the substrate material. It's like a thicker stabilizer. Go. Put in the comments below if you've ever done a June Taylor project before. What I like is that this is a very nice lightweight stabilizer, and then you just put the other fabric on the other line and then sew right sides together right on the substrate. It's so easy. You will not believe how much fun these are. Put in the comments below if you'd like me to do this project with you on my Quilting Camper YouTube channel. This could be like our first project together, and I could film it. Film the quilt as you go, and we'll film as you go, right? I love it. What do you think about that? Of course, I'm never going to be able to fold this together again, so we're going to put that right there. You also get this really cool zipper. The zipper has fabric edging on it, so that way you don't have to worry about using your zipper foot. I love my zipper foot on my Bernina machine, but there's some quilters out there that zipper feet just totally blows their mind away, and I get it. This makes it super easy. You don't even need a zipper foot to attach this to your project. And of course, it has some easy to use instructions included, like that. And there's a video on YouTube that you can link right up to the project. The Strippy Zipper Pouch Kit from June Taylor is retailed at $8.98. So the next item in the box, you'll be tumbling head over heels for all the cute quilts that can be made with this Flag Day tumbler template designed by Susan Ack. This nifty template is a charm-friendly tool that includes clipped corners for easy matching and sewing. Fabulous for scraps as well. This charming quilt design will always be a favorite. And it has the corners to make it for easy seams to reduce the bulk right away. Nobody likes to buy templates when you go to the store, but it's really cool when you get them in a box. And this retails for $12.24. That's amazing. The value of this box is pretty astounding. This next item in the box is one that I always get tongue-tied over, so please bear with me. Watch my other videos if you don't know what I'm talking about. Starting in April, in every box, you get a block of the month pattern. At the end of those 12 months, you get a pattern to finish a whole quilt binding and backing. It's so cool how Fat Quarter Shop works this out. So every box essentially has 2 quilt patterns. One free pattern that comes with it, and another free pattern that is the quilt block of the month. There you go. Press Flowers Quilt Along, block number 4. The Press Flowers Quilt Along is in full bloom. This garden-themed quilt by Fat Quarter Shop features Sugarberry by Bunny Hill Designs for Moda Fabrics, and it will bring some fresh cut flair that you can keep forever. The Press Flowers quilt fabric conversions are available at fatquartershop.com. This is valued at $4.98. And I do have to say, this month's block is really pretty. I like it. Before we get to the fabric, we have one more pattern. Fruit Punch Quilt Pattern by Susan Ack. The Fruit Punch Quilt by Susan Ack is a sweet and refreshing take on a classic tumbler quilt. Tumbler rows cleverly match up to make unique hexagon blocks, and you can easily add more rows to make it your perfect size. Try punching up this design with the Berry Basket Jolly Bar included in this month's box. Limited fishing. Limited finishing kits are available at Fat Quarter Shop. So what I do like about Fat Quarter Shop patterns, you know I've said this before, they're super easy to follow along. And what I like is on the back, it gives you all of what you need on top of the Jolly bar that you use for this particular pattern, as well as the background fabric and the binding. Also, you do need to supply backing. That's never included on the back of these fabrics because anybody can use whatever they want in their stash for backing. And this is like a throw. It's a 36 by 36 throw, maybe a baby blanket, a wall hanging. You know, I really have to say it's beautiful. And when I looked at the instructions on the inside, I just like the layout. I think it's done really well. And it gives you a conceptual idea of how it comes together. For new quilters, it's really important to include instructions like that because we just have no concept of how that comes together. And I love these patterns. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop, for making the best patterns that are easy to read and understand. This pattern is valued at $9.98. Now let's go to the fabric. Yes. Okay, let's chat for a second. When you buy pre-cuts at your favorite quilt shop, you have charm packs, which are 5 by 5. You have mini charms, which are 2.5 by 2.5 squares. You also have layer cakes, which are 10 by 10. You also have strip cut rolls that are usually referred to as jelly rolls or roly-polies, depending upon where you buy them from or your favorite brand of fabric. What I love about Fat Quarter Shop is they innovate and they create great partnerships. And what I love is they came up with their own type of fabric cut. Now you can make this cut yourself by taking a layer cake and cutting it in half, but then you have twice as much fabric. They came up with a pre-cut called the Jolly Bar, and I have to say it's one of my most favorite pre-cuts. And of course, they're exclusive to Fat Quarter Shop, named after the founders themselves, which is why I love the name Jolly Bar. If you didn't know, their last names are Jolly, and it's a bar, and so Jolly Bar, you have it. It's my favorite cut. It's 5 inches by 10 inches, and I think it's the best pre-cut. I have bought into it because I'm actually working on a Jolly Bar quilt right now, and also I have several of their Jolly Bar books. I just think it's an easy cut to work with, but they're inexpensive. They're around $20, $22, $23, somewhere like that. And they included a Jolly Bar in this box. Yes! I am all for Jolly Bars. I think they're the best. They're fun pre-cut. And this one is by April Rosenthal, and it is called Berry Burst. What I like about Jolly Bars too, when you get them from Fat Quarter Shop, not only do we have the quilt pattern that is included in this box, every single Jolly Bar comes with their own pattern. And look at how beautiful that quilt is. I wish I could make those points look as good as they are in this picture. But you get a cool pattern with every Jolly Bar that you buy from Fat Quarter Shop. It's pretty awesome. So the way that a Jolly Bar is wrapped, I can't really easily show you the fabric. So you're going to be looking over here for a little montage of the fabric from this collection. Berry Basket Jolly Bar by April Rosenthal for Moda Fabrics. Inspired by summer mornings spent picking fresh berries in the garden, the Berry Basket collection is also ripe for the picking. This sweet line by April Rosenthal for Moda Fabrics is packed with bright berry reds and blues, rounded out with classic prints in white, gray, pink, and aqua. This pre-cut comes with a free pattern so you can dive right into creating new summer projects. This Jolly Bar is valued at $22.48. So what do you guys think? Does this summer soiree theme box make you want to party? I know it makes me want to party. I love everything in this box. There isn't anything in here that I would want to give away. So sorry you guys, I'm keeping it for myself. And can you believe with paying $29 plus tax and shipping, it came to about $36.95 and it's valued at $70.64. I can't believe it. The Quilting Camper gives thumbs up to the Sew Sampler box. This is an amazing value, and I think you'd enjoy the projects in here. You guys know I am not sponsored. I pay for all my boxes from Fat Quarter Shop. I can't tell you how much I love those guys. They are just the best at what they do. Their customer service is top notch. If you're looking to get one of these boxes for yourself, please go to fatquartershop.com, look for subscriptions, and sign up. What are you waiting for? On that note, you guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me on my journey as the Quilting Camper. You don't have any idea how much it means to me that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I so appreciate your comments and all your wonderful thoughts Also, thank you for finding me on my blog, The Quilting Camper. I do update things there from time to time, so please check me out there as well. I really want to make this channel successful, and I need your help. If you like what you saw today, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe. If there is something that you think a friend or family member would like about my content, please share my videos, share my YouTube channel, get the word out. The Quilting Camper is here to stay, and I want to continue to make video content for you. And I also want to share all my journeys as well. And I really, truly believe in this world that we live in, sharing kindness is the only way to reach each other. And that's why we need to share what we do and what we love with each other. I just feel so humbled by all of you taking the time watching my videos. You do know that I'm really good at making bloopers too, and I'm sure you're waiting to see the bloopers I came up with tonight. And that just tickles my heart because I'm a single guy in a house, literally quarter to midnight, sitting in a camera talking to myself. You know I'm going to make some flubbers. So, thanks you guys, and have a wonderful night, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now. So let's see what this month's theme is. Oh, that always happens to me. And it will bring some fresh cut flair that will can keep forever. Oh my word. Do you realize that is one sentence, one paragraph, one sentence? Whew. I need to do breathing exercises to read these scripts. Round it out with classic pints. Classic pints, yeah. Bottoms up. Let's try that again. All you do is you put your favorite pattern. All you do is you put your favorite. All you do is put your favorite fat. Woohoo! Peekaboo! All you do. It's super easy. All you do is put your favorite. All you do is take your favorite. I don't know, that's a new word. Favorite. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.